day 2. Kitchen's gutted and ready for bench tops, which we're going to try and pick up tomorrow. Labelled all these drawers. Going to take all these drawers off and all the hinges off so that we can paint them and then clean the hinges up. Most of the locks work. I just got to salvage a few from down there when we take that vanity out because I need some of those parts. Door handles and locks. I'm going to put a window there too, so that'll be a bit nice for the double bed. But just looking at this, looks like it's not coming out because that's actually broken. Take all these cushions off. They come off pretty easy. They're just screwed in 2 spots. I just pried it off. I probably should try and find the screws, but we'll patch it up later anyway. Take all these cushions away and yeah, strip it out. Let's get to work. I thought I'd stop that for a second just to show you some of the grossness that's going on underneath here. Apart from having to sand all this down and paint it, because I just ripped them off the wall. We've got some artifacts from the previous owner. Some rollies, a couple of packets, ciggies. I don't know if I should be touching this. The Ultimate Country Collection, top of the 60s, 70s and 80s country songs. CD 3 of probably hundreds, but that would still play, I reckon. Classic, that can go in the bin. Gross rag. Bropey? Brody Wright. Bropey. Camera holder, cutlery, free cutlery. Oh, this is pretty gross. Just some ciggies and that ain't gonna be your oregano. That's gonna be some weed or tobacco. Free table. Nothing else. Clean. I think that one as well, that's got where the 12 volt stuff was cut out and just a heap more of these rags, like sheets or whatever. I reckon that's about it. I reckon I'll clean through every drawer now. Alright, back to the demolition. that took a while, because initially I was thinking about if I should take it all out or not, due to the strength of the, well, taking away from the strength of the caravan, the more you take out. But peeled back the bottom section because there's 2 bits of water damage in the corners, and I mean they're not that bad, but I wanted to see what was going on behind there, and it's pretty well framed up, so I'm not going to touch that frame. I'm going to add back the bed in here. I'll cross brace it all, and I was going to put a window back in here, but we had a little group huddle and decided we wouldn't use that as the bed we're running across here, and we want somewhere to lean up against. So we're just going to leave it. It'll be a bit easier anyway for me, now that I've made a bit of work for myself with recladding it. So pretty much going to leave all this here and have a hinged section, a hinged bed frame that comes up sideways here. So running a queen this way, and then hinge at the back so it hinges up sideways. And when you hinge it up, I'll put a false front through here and some storage bins. When you hinge it up with some gas struts, you get access to all the storage. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. It came apart pretty easy. Day 2 done. Not quite. I'm knackered, but I'm gonna have a beer and watch the other parts of the caravan burn, because why not? Wander up to this. Oh, I thought it'd be burning by now. It ain't. Might have to help that out a bit. Might as well get some use out of the old parts. Well, it wouldn't be a reno without burning half of the caravan down, so why not? Cheers. Thanks for watching. Even if it goes to work, you know I'm always there.